Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to mount or pin blue Morpho butterfly. I will be using our entomology kit. This is called Blue Morpho kit and it contains everything you will need. Plus there is also a comprehensive PDF guide with a lot of pictures and this video where I will show you step by step the whole process. First of all, we put our butterfly for 12 hours into wetting chamber to rehydrate the body and muscle tissues. I will not show this process here because it's quite easy and straightforward, and it's also described in more details in our guide. So let's get started. First of all, we want to open the wings by squeezing the body with the tweezers. Now I will insert the pin in the middle of thorax. You want to make sure it's nice and straight and it's going out of the body on the other side, right in the middle. This is really important because the more straight the pin is now, the better for you later. It's more easy to pin the butterfly when everything is nice and straight. Now I will insert it inside the middle gap. Make sure that the wings are in the correct height and they are flush with the spreading board. What I like to do is to secure the foil on both sides, just like that. And I'm gonna show you two methods. One is by using tweezers and another one is by using what you can call entomology needle, but it's basically entomology pin inserted in a wooden handle. So left side I will do with a needle. I'm pulling on the foil, as you can see here, which is holding the wing in a position. So if I want to move the wing up, I release the tension on the foil. I go underneath the wing. I catch the big wing vein and just push it or pull it up. And when I'm happy with the position, I pull down on the foil. This way, the wing is nice and straight and it's pressed down with the foil and I can secure it with the pins. And the same for the hind wing. I release the foil, but my wing is now held by the pins. I go underneath the wing, pull up, and now pull on the foil. Just like that. It's super easy. Of course, it needs some training, but once you get it, then it's really, really easy. I will use some more pins now to secure the wings. Don't be afraid to use as many as possible. Now I will show you the technique with the tweezers. It's basically the same method, but I will catch the wing by its vein, pull it up in a position that I like, and now I will just pull on the foil, holding the wing. And again, using some pins to hold it down. With the hind wing, I will just push on it. Just like that. A little bit more up. Yeah, I'm happy with that. secure it again with the pins. Super easy. Make sure that the whole wing is straight. It can fold sometimes, so be careful. Secure with the more pins. Just like that, our wings are set, ready to go. Now I will work on antennas. I will just place them underneath the foil. Don't worry about it too much. Just make sure it's nice and straight. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? Pin it down with more pins. Just like that. And now the abdomen. I like to hold it a little bit up, especially when you want to frame your butterfly later. It's important that the whole body is straight. Perfect. If you want to use transparent frames with the foil that comes with the kit, I advise you now is the best time to take out the pin from the body, because once the butterfly is dry, it's super hard to take it out and you need to snap it with the pliers, which is not good, because then you can damage the butterfly. So now it's a good time to take it out. You just hold the body with tweezers, take out the pin, and now we have our butterfly ready. Now I will leave it like this for 1 or 2 weeks. You can also use the heater in your place to dry it faster, but I don't recommend to rush this process. And after it's dry, you just take off all the pins, take the butterfly with the tweezers really carefully, place it in your frame from the kit, close the frame, and you are good to go. You can give it to someone as a gift, or you can keep it for yourself, for your home, for your place, to make it nicer. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask down in the comment section. I'm really happy to answer all your questions. And yeah, if you are interested in my products, everything you need, you saw here, you can find in my Etsy store, also in my web store. So go ahead, links are down in the video description. And yeah, if you want to see more, consider subscribing, and I would appreciate if you can hit that like button as well. So thank you and bye.